Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today we're going to be opening Geek Gear Wizardry's June box, and yes, I've fallen behind on my Geek Gear unboxings, but this one is a big one. We've got June, the June box, we have the June Wizardry Wearable box, and then we also have the June wand. So this is the Geek Gear wand, the unique wands. So let's go ahead and get into the unique wands first, because these are usually pretty cool. They're all very unique, and as the name suggests, they're all very unique. And you won't find the designs for these wands anywhere else. These are completely original designs. So let's open this up and take a look at what we have. So it comes with this card, which tells you a bit about the wand. This one is called the Palladius wand. And now let's take a look at the wand itself. It is a white wand and almost reminds me of like a, I don't know, for some reason it kind of reminds me of Voldemort's wand. Maybe just the end, how it kind of is bent or hooked, but it obviously really doesn't look much like his wand at all. But it's really cool. Maybe it's because it's white, but I really like this one. This one might be my favorite Geek Gear Wizardry wand that I've gotten so far. This one looks very cool. It looks like wood. It feels good. It's not perfectly straight, and I also really like that. Like it kind of bends a little bit right there, and that looks really cool. And it always comes in this really cool black box. I like the design of this box. And yeah, it's just nice having a collection of all these cool different wands in boxes. Like I'm gonna have to put these somewhere, like on display somewhere. These are really cool. Awesome wand. Thank you, Geek Gear. Let's move along to Geek Gear's box of wizardry. What we've got in here is, well, first of all, we have the card. Oh, I don't have Deborah yet. This is Packed with Love and Care by Deborah. In fact, I've been collecting them almost like chocolate frog cards, and I've got like doubles of these two people. We have Doris and David, and now we have Deborah. So thank you, Doris, David, and Deborah, for helping bring magic into my life. If anyone has anybody else, I've got an extra Doris and an extra David. I'll trade you. Okay, so continuing on, the first thing we have here is the tea, and this is Phoenix Tears tea, and this is a sparkling peach white tea. So let's see here. I know I used to think that you had to tear the top because it has like little notches in the sides, and it looks like that is a tear top bag, but you do not have to tear this bag open. It's already open. It just has a Ziploc. So, whoa, that is super strong. Wow, that's super strong. It smells very good. Very, very peachy. So yeah, maybe I'll have a little bit of tea after my unboxing. So let's see what else we have. Oh, okay, whoop, here's another wand. So since I got the wand itself, that's its own subscription box. I'm also getting, it looks like another wand in the wizardry box. So I'm gonna set that aside and open it last because I love the wands. Let's take a look at the t-shirt. Now, it's white. I don't wear a lot of white, but I actually love the design of this one, regardless of if it's a white t-shirt or not. And honestly, I might actually step out of my norm and wear this white t-shirt. Moving along, let's see what else we have. We have a print. This looks like, just peeking in there, it kind of looks like watercolor maybe. Let's see. If so, I think I got a print by the same artist maybe. I'm not sure, but it does look very, very similar. This is obviously Fox the Phoenix, and I just really like the look of these watercolor prints that Geek Gear's been putting in their boxes. These are really cool looking. And it's on like a canvas type paper. Next up we have a box. Oh, and it says Premium Potions. Caution. This is a love potion causing a powerful infatuation or obsession in the drinker use with caution. Love is in the air. Do not drink. This is not a toy. So this is a love potion. I like the packaging. It looks very cool. Let's see what the actual potion looks like on the inside. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's in like a little heart-shaped bottle, vial, and it just says Love Potion on it. It has a little thing, and then there's red glitter on the inside. And if you wanted to, you could obviously just take the cork out and swap out the red glitter with like whatever liquid you want to put in there to make it look a little more authentic. But this is pretty cool. I mean, I do like this. I like potion bottles, so this is really cool. Definitely happy to add this to my collection. Okay, it looks like we have another box in here. It says bookmark. Doesn't sound like a bookmark, but we'll see. It probably has some like a chain on it or something. Yes. Oh, okay, cool. I've seen bookmarks like this before. Here we go. This one is pretty neat. It has a feather on it, like a quill, and it hooks around. That's where you would put it in your book. And then it has some different little charms on it. There's an owl on there and a golden snitch and a castle, obviously supposed to be Hogwarts, and a lightning bolt on there. So it has all these little charms on it. They have their little scratch card to see if you've won something. And then here, this is actually the cheat sheet, so I'll set that aside. And I think the only thing left is the print. So let's see. Oh, this one, I think a lot of people are gonna like this one. It's very colorful, but it is a Death Eater's mask. So that is really cool. All right, so that is it for this box. Oh wait, no. There is still a wand to open, so I almost forgot about that. Let's get that open. It just came in this little bag, whereas if you get the wand subscription, you get like the actual box with it, which is pretty cool. But this one also came with a card. I'm not gonna open or look at this yet because I don't want to spoil it before I open the bag. This wand is definitely not the same wand as we just opened. This one is, oh cool, this one is almost like Newt Scamander's, I would say. Oh wow. All right, so this one is definitely my favorite. I know that I said that white one was my favorite, but this one is so cool. It has like white textured wood in here, but then also it has like a darker kind of like a reddish brown color. And I just love the end of it. It looks so authentic. It's just so cool. I love this. This is a really cool wand. So let's take a look at the card. The card says Vitus Lignum Wand or Lignum Wand. The length is 13.5 inches. The core is dittany and the wood type is acacia. Let's see what the cheat sheet has to tell us. If it's anything that we didn't already know by opening up the box. Okay, so the one thing I will say that's on here that I didn't point out is that the artist print is actually signed, like physically signed by the artist, which is really cool. And then next month's hint is birthday, and it has Harry Potter's birthday cake right down here. So I'm looking forward to next month, which would be July, since I'm opening this, and this is the June box. I am, like I said, fell a little bit behind, so I want to get these taken care of. I almost forgot to scratch off my Geek Gear scratch card, and it says, no win, better luck next time. Oh well. Now is time for the Geek Gear Wearable, which I've never really gotten, but let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, it's just full of clothes. I got Doris again as the person who packed this for me, so thank you, Doris. Now, we have some clothes in here, so let's take a look. This is black, so it's off to a good start for me. Long sleeve. I might have to save that before I can actually wear it because it's pretty hot here. But what have we got? It has a snitch in the center here, and then it has all the different like house animals around it. This design is pretty cool. And it says ambition, loyalty, courage, and wisdom. So yeah, that's really neat. It has a broomstick around the edges there too, and it has a Dementor on there as well. Next we have another t-shirt. This one's purple. I'll let you guys see it first. And this one is, oh cool, it's just a pretty neat Harry Potter design. It has Harry Potter's silhouette in a circle within a triangle, which is almost like an upside down Deathly Hallows symbol. It's pretty cool, I like it. Yeah, this one I might put into a giveaway box. that I am going to give away at some point. I see another shirt in here, and it has the Harry Potter font on it. I am not a fan of the Harry Potter font, really. When it comes to like Harry Potter fonts on Harry Potter merchandise, the actual like lightning bolt font, I really don't like it. It just bothers me for some reason. But yeah, here we go. I don't mind it in the logo. I just don't really like it that much on merchandise or like cards or printed materials or anything like that. But here we go. Oh, not my daughter, you bitch. Okay, so we all know what that line is from, but yeah, here's the shirt. It's just a black shirt with the Harry Potter font on it. I mean, this one's okay. Like I said, I'm not a fan of the font, and it's kind of plain, but you know, I'm sure a lot of people are actually gonna really like this shirt. It's just not for me. All right, moving along, we have another scratch card, which I will not forget to scratch off at the end. And then we have a hat. I don't wear baseball hats, but we have one here. I don't wear them because I look really weird in them, especially when the bill is flat like this, and it's kind of like bowing in a strange way. I look ridiculous. So yeah, I just don't wear them that much. And there is some lettering across the front of this hat, and I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. So if you guys know what this is, let me know. I have no idea what this is supposed to be. All right, and then we have the cheat sheet, and last we have the print. And this print is one that I feel like I already have this one. Yeah, I think this came in one of the boxes, like maybe, I want to say like 4 or 5 months ago. But yeah, it's a really cool print. So if you missed out on it, this is it. And it didn't come in a wearable box. So, I mean, it came in one of the regular Wizardry boxes. So whoever is subscribed to the wearable might never have gotten this. So that's cool. But now I think I have 2, which is awesome because I like it and I wanted to keep it. So the extra I can give away in one of my giveaway boxes. That is it for this box, and that is it for this video as well. That's the last one. So we got through a wand and 2 boxes. I'll take a look at the cheat sheet just to see if there's any information that I missed. Nope, I mean, it's all pretty straightforward when it comes to this wearable box, but I will say that next month's hint for the next wearable is Luna. So that's exciting because she is one of my favorite characters. Yeah, there we go. The only thing left to do is see if I win anything with this card. So I'm gonna scratch it off and find out. It says 10% off your next renewal. Awesome. It actually gave me a code as well. And since I get these boxes for free, I don't need the 10% off. In fact, I'm just gonna like give it to you right now. So if you're watching this and you're the first one to get this code, this is yours, you can use it. But keep in mind, this is 10% off your next renewal. So you have to already be a subscriber, I believe, in order to get the 10% off. But the code is 10099. And that is it. I hope you guys like this box or these boxes. If I had to pick 2 favorite things out of the wearable box, I would say probably the long sleeve shirt. I really love the design on this. And then the print. Even though I already had one, I love that print. And then if I had to pick 2 things that are my favorite out of the regular box, honestly, I would say the print, because it just looks really cool. The watercolor look is really awesome, and I like that it's signed by the author at the bottom. That's just really awesome. And then my #1 favorite is the wand, of course. I mean, who wouldn't love this wand, or a wand in general? Anyways, let me know what your favorites were. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.